I'm sure most of you haven't been able to get the smallest or the most minor issues of your car fixed just because you couldn't find the time. A technician will come to your place, get the car checked and inspected right in front of you, and show you the issues that's been identified in the car. Post which you will receive a quotation to your mail within an hour's time. Once you approve the quotation, if the work is minor, we will schedule for an appointment to get the work done at your doorstep. And if it is some major work which needs to be done, like a clutch replacement or so, in that case, we will get it picked up to a network of garages, get the job done, and deliver it back to you as soon as possible.